Alpine, the Formula One team, just seen. Listen, I perhaps should have, maybe, who knows? Previous instances of sports based coins, just basically been a rug pull. This one seems fairly well ordered, well structured in its rise. But I mean, look at that, just steady. Came up with that massive interest, isn't it? Oh, loads of interest. No, it's just going down flatly, not really doing anything. And just looked like a nice rug pull. I mean, there. Let's have a look at the back there. Little treat. I don't know. Just go from there. Take it from there. Up max 1,734% on the wick, but on the main body 581%. And then that came down. How do we do there on the downers? The realistic place, really. The downers. Yeah, it came down 6-7%. I mean, that's not too bad. But hundreds of percent rises here. Hey. Just looking here, well, I'm looking at it again so quickly is because I don't know what I'm doing. No, not entirely. Still new. So, you got 300-400% up there. On the 4 hourly candle, it's just popped down. And that is absolutely something. So, I want to get this up here from there. So, how is that looking in terms of Mr. Phibbs? It's gone down, test that 618 with the wick, yeah. And what's it going to do now? What's it doing now? It's holding beneath the, falling through the trend support. Is that a trend support? Need to have a look, very careful look at this. To know, mate, to know. Let's just have a look through there. Is that the trend support? Where is the trend support on this one? Let's have a look there. There we go. It's just falling through, isn't it? It is an ascending triangle, but it's not to say it's infallible. It's had a nice steep rise here. A very, very steep rise. And now it's looking to, I wonder if it's just testing. Is it falling through? Is it going to create, is it come down maybe to the 7A6 halt there, about to come back up? Don't know what's going on. So that's in the 4 hour. Let's have a look in the hourly, see how price history, price action looks there compared to the others. It has been a bit stringing, as long with the rest of the market, just stringing along out. But it's just going flat. Boom. That's boring. We're not going any higher. Just take some profit. But you can see broadly similar things happening here. But that's just gone on, hasn't it? Just stringing along. Not doing a lot along there. But here, it's very decisive, peaks, troughs, very intermediate, very pretty decent times apart there. Coming across at, say, let's have a look there. 15 hours, and again, where was that one? Probably about the same. 18, 17 hours, yeah. So nice, steady, and we should have been seeing a rise up here really if this was going to continue. I really do feel that. Feelings don't have anything on the market, but what is clear is just run out of energy and it's gone out of the support line there. So if it does come down, you've got a variety of places to look at, haven't you? So currently, with that confluence, is sitting on the 5.0. That would have been nice to have seen it regain quite quickly. 7A6 is another option. You may just rediscover something might happen elsewhere in the market. Giving it a pump, there might be a whale coming here, some sort of something to pump it back up above the support line. But equally, you've had this massive exponential rise. Huge rise. Well-structured rise, consolidating before moving on. A nice bullish pennant there. And even still, this is a bullish pennant, but, is this in danger of being, seeing that pokey out there? Is it in danger of invalidating the bull flag and all of a sudden loose support? And it's just going to retrace on itself. We can see what's going to happen there. maybe that's the real key point there. That's 786. Is he going to come down to there? Um, there's a lot of overlap on there, isn't there? There's another one in there, so that's absolutely key. There's a double lapped 786. So see, something might just happen there. Might happen. Might have to just come down all the way to there. Let's have a look at the overall rise of things. Yeah. Well, all right, so there we go. Sort of pretty much there. Let's have a look at that just from that bull candle. First price bit, probably want to be careful of that 796 ish, somewhere in that area, 7968. And yeah, on the 8s, 79, then coming down at 382. But you got this here. So you got previous pumps to go from. What's that there? 59, 76. What's that there? That's the previous top. 83, 879 maybe. Go through there. There's loads of stuff going on. Not getting totally wrecked. Not getting in on the high. Wait for it to retrace, I think. See how this does. I think it's going to be a hard retrace. We're coming up to the 55. Test that. Fall through there. Can expect it to come up to the 1. Maybe about 8. See how it was doing. And falling below again. Got some big solid lines to fall back on as well. Let's just start with from that previous consolidation point and see how it works through. Gentle. Okay, so just really testing at 899, 89969, coming up for a test down there and see what she does. Might just fall through that and then head its way back to previous levels. Got there, 779, maybe something there, 708, 677, something like that, and a real solid line test. In these previous patterns. Well, there we go. That's if loses support, steep rise, steep fall, and if it does come to a rest, a nice long steep energetic fall, big red candles. Maybe try and expect a V-shaped recovery, trade off that, take profit. Set up the fibs on the confirmation of the bottom and trade the fibs and the previous maybe little brief areas of consolidation along the way as the peaks and troughs of highs. Yeah, previous price history, trace it, trade that with the trading that with the Watsies, and we're going to see a big red